How to cancel Planet Fitness membership. I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Planet Fitness membership in 2025. Due to the new FTC click to cancel rule, effective January 14, 2025, you should be able to cancel online the same way you signed up if your home club supports it. But since Planet Fitness is a franchise, not all locations have updated yet. In-person cancellation is always an option. Go to your home club, request a cancellation form at the desk, fill it out, and get a receipt. It's quick and guarantees the request. You can also mail a certified letter if you're far from the gym or prefer that route. Just be sure to send it at least 7 business days before billing to avoid extra charges. As seen on Reddit, some users unlock the online cancel button by switching their home club to a California location, or Illinois or Maine. Then returning to their account, you'll often see a cancel membership option magically appear. Just remember, always check for a confirmation email or receipt. Cancel before the 10th of the month to skip the new billing.